Hello and welcome to this guide on Chipy.com's reward system. As a registered member of our community, we want to show our appreciation for your continued dedication to our website as the world's best source of online casino bonuses, games, reviews, and useful information. One of the ways we do this is by offering a reward system with multiple layers, including coins, experience points, and level, as well as members-only competitions. In this video, we will focus on coins, one of the most exciting features of our reward system. Coins are the exclusive currency on Chipy.com, available to our registered users. It is a part of our reward system that we offer to repay our members for their continued dedication. Coins can be earned in a number of ways as long as you are an active user on our website. As an active member of our community, you will be rewarded appropriately. You can earn coins by logging in daily, sharing your feedback on our games, casinos, and bonuses. Quality feedback to our site can earn you even more coins. Helping your peers by providing them with helpful information on your experience makes you a contributor to the growth of this community. Here is a complete list of the activities you can engage in to earn coins, as well as the corresponding coin value for each action and details explaining each action. You can check your coin balance by heading over to our site's header, where you will see the total number of your coins. You can do a lot of fun things with your coins. You can visit our shop page and buy cool items such as avatars, bonus offers to your favorite casinos, and even real money items. That's right, you can turn your coins into real cash simply by engaging with our website and community. You can also visit our playground, a unique space where you can play exclusive games using your coins and win even more if you're lucky. Being active on our website ensures that you keep earning both coins and experience points. And leveling up actually translates into a significant number of coins, 100 per each new level. For more information on the benefits you can enjoy as a member of our community, you should check out our guides on experience points and level and community members' benefits. To gain access to all these exciting features, you simply need to join our amazing community by opening an account on our website. You will start off with 100 coins, and you can keep collecting coins every day. The simple sign-up process is free and takes only 30 seconds to complete. It unlocks a wide range of benefits. We can't wait to welcome you to our amazing family.